Mr. Rasmussen asserts that Ms. Miller's rejection of his paternity is rooted in personal animosity rather than any substantial evidence. He expresses a clear desire to play an active role in Zaylie's life through visitation rights, highlighting the significance of his involvement. The conversation also encompasses financial obligations, with Mr. Rasmussen actively providing child support and voicing his concern for Zaylie's overall well-being. He underscores his unwavering commitment to maintaining a meaningful relationship, despite the considerable distance he must traverse for visitation. Conversely, Ms. Miller contends that her denial of Mr. Rasmussen's paternity is warranted, questioning his role based on the timeline of their relationship. She asserts that he was absent at the time of conception, which forms the basis of her doubts. The emotional distress stemming from paternity disputes invariably impacts not just the parents, but also the child involved. Recognizing these repercussions becomes imperative for all parties in order to navigate this complex web of relationships. Mr. Rasmussen's engagement in Zaylie's early life is noteworthy. He was present at her birth and attended several doctor appointments. This level of involvement adds layers of complexity to the ongoing paternity dialogue. Moreover, the discrepancies in memories between Mr. Rasmussen and Ms. Miller shed light on the intricacies of their relationship during pregnancy, emphasizing the paramount importance of clear and effective communication to mitigate any potential misunderstandings. Additionally, the mother shares that she gave her daughter her last name, harboring expectations of a united future with the father. However, these aspirations were shattered upon learning of his infidelity, which profoundly affected her outlook. While the mother acknowledges the possibility of another biological father, she remains steadfast in seeking continued child support from Mr. Rasmussen. This stimulates concerns regarding her motivations and the overall best interests of the child. Mr. Rasmussen candidly articulates his frustration with the visitation process, recounting the challenges he faced in securing regular access to his daughter. This narrative illustrates the complexities inherent in custody arrangements. Reflecting on his situation, Mr. Rasmussen emphasizes his attempts to foster meaningful experiences for his daughter, despite enduring financial hardships. He believes that the value of these small moments transcends material wealth. The emotional burden of awaiting paternity test results weighs heavily on Mr. Rasmussen, revealing the profound difficulty of preparing for such potentially life-altering news and the subsequent impact on his family dynamics. Finally, the judge underscores the child's intrinsic right to know her father, irrespective of the father's desire to be involved. He stresses the significance of transparency in parenting, highlighting the moral imperative that underpins these familial connections.